The Make Terminal Assignments tool allows the user to reassign terminals based on the relationships that were formed using the Map Term Strips tool. So on this schematic drawing, we have a couple of contacts from 11pound1-V3, which we have mapped to 4 different terminal strips on this panel front view drawing. So what we want to do with this tool is we'll go ahead and click the icon, and the first thing we're asked to do is to pick a terminal. So I'm going to select this terminal right here. And now I'm asked to pick the related component, which would be that primary piece of equipment that we selected using the Map Term Strips tool. So here it is, 11pound1-V3. If I pick that, it brings up this dialog that has 4 term strips on it. This dialog that has the terminal strips that were associated to this component, 11pound1-V3, using that Map Term Strips tool. So if I select each of these components, it will show me which terminals are available and which are used. So for TB1, I have number 9 available, and 1 through 8 and 10 through 14 are all used somewhere in the project. For TB2, I'm showing 8 through 14 are available and 1 through 7 are used, and then I get similar results with the others. Here's one that hasn't been used at all yet in my project. I'll pick TB2, and I'm going to pick number 8. Now before I exit this dialog, I want to click this Show Cables button here. What this does is this just shows me very quickly the cables, if there are any, that are attached to these terminals. So it's just a quick way to see at a glance maybe what is going on the external side of each of these terminals. So I've got TB2 terminal number 8 selected, and then I'm just going to hit OK, and you can see that this terminal was automatically updated to TB2 pin number 8. Well, let's run the tool again, and this time I'm going to select this terminal over here, and then I'm going to pick the primary component again, 11pound1-V3. So now what I want to do is, you can see that terminal number 8 has been moved over to the used column. That's the one that we just changed this one to TB2 number 8. And now I have 9 through 14 available. So I'm going to select 9, and I'm going to choose continuous pick, and then hit OK. So it changed that one to TB2 9. Now if I pick this one, it changes that to TB2 10. I can go back here to do 11 and then 12. So continuous pick allows you to just continue to select terminals, and it will push through all your available terminals until you have none left. So this tool is a quick and easy way to reassign terminals based on relationships that are built between terminal blocks and primary components.